welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? It's a bright, wonderful, beautiful day. I guess you all are doing great. Yeah. Today we'll be making noodle. The German calls it Nudelauflauf and the Italians calls it pasta casareno. Yeah, Italians, if I'm wrong with the pronunciation, pardon me. Pasta casareno, huh? Yeah, Nudelauflauf in Dutch. So that's what we'll be making today, and the key ingredient for this recipe is a noodle. Here I have two different types of noodle. I have this one. See, this type of noodle, you can use this type or you can use this type. But for this recipe, I'll be using this one. So this is what I'll be using today for this recipe. And we'll be needing also a grounded beef. Then we'll be needing some peas, some carrots, some onions. And here I have my shredded tomato and red pepper bell. Then we'll be needing some cheese. So for today, this recipe I'll be using this cheese. Then some olive oil and my spice. So that's what we'll be needing for this recipe. First and foremost, I'll go ahead and boil my pasta. So I already have my water in the fire, my noodle. I'll go ahead and add a little bit of oil. This oil is to prevent the pasta from sticking together, or the noodle from sticking together. So I'll allow my water to cook, then the noodle will cook. So first and foremost, boil our noodle until niche al dente, not really cook, but in between, like pre-boiled, because it will still be going into the oven later. So we don't want our pasta really soft and scattering, you know, so we want it together. So we'll be boiling it like a boil half done. So we'll go ahead and boil our noodle. We'll be back, guys. We'll be back. Okay guys, so our noodle is ready. You see the noodle, that is how I need it. So half cook. So the noodle is ready. So right now we'll go ahead and fry the grounded beef and the vegetables we'll be needing. The second step. So I have my pot in the fire, so I'll go ahead and add in my olive oil. I'll allow that to heat up. So I'll go ahead and add in my onions, carrots and peas. Let me bring the camera closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'll go ahead at this point and add in my grounded beef. So allow it to cook for like 5 minutes, but in between this 5 minutes I'll be turning it from time to time because I don't want it sticking on the pot, so I'll be turning it from time to time. Okay guys, look at that. Our meat is almost ready, so at this point I'm gonna go ahead and add in the tomato and the pepper ball. And I'll add the spice, our salt to taste. Have some rosemary powder here. I have some thyme here, so add in some thyme. Some garlic powder, some ginger powder, and hot paprika powder. Okay, so give it a stir. So you see, I didn't add any water. The water you can see is the water that came out from the grounded beef. So I'm going to cover it off for like 3 minutes because of the tomato and the pepper balls to allow it to cook. Then after which our sauce is ready, then we'll go into this final stage. Okay guys, look at that. Our sauce is ready, huh? Can you see that? So right now we'll go ahead and start. You get a clean bowl, a clean pan that you know can go into the back oven. You use it. You can also use your forms or your cake forms. So I'm gonna be using this. Go ahead and add in my noodle, all of it. spray it very well. And the rest of the sauce. Okay, look at that, guys. So I'll go ahead and add in my cheese. So you be generous with your cheese. You spray your cheese until it is all covered. Okay guys, that is it. So we'll be baking it for 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degree. So it goes into the back oven. For 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degree. So guys, this is what our Nudelauflauf looks like. It's really hot, just coming out from the oven. Guys, look at that. It's really hot. Thank you guys for watching, for your support, for your time, and remain blessed until next time. Ciao ciao, cheers, bye bye guys.